This brand is made in China and is available through their website or on Amazon. The HY4866 model features an air quality sensor that displays the current room air quality and can control the 4-speed fan when the unit is in the auto mode. The unit has a 1,076 square feet coverage area with a 177 CFM delivery rate with a 24 decibel noise rating, which is less than a whisper. The HY4866WF model includes Wi-Fi capability for control with Alexa voice commands. The HY1800 model includes an aroma pad for aromatherapy and the unit has a coverage area of 108 square feet, while the Kilo model includes a nightlight and has a 1,076 square feet coverage area. All of the units have 3 stages of purification and a decent guarantee, as well as being relatively inexpensive. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.